When it comes to skin tone, we have a general idea of what we have. Either you're light, medium, deep, or something in between. But what about undertone? To put it simply, undertone means the visual temperature of your skin. Undertone tends to fall into two broad categories, warm or cool. Warm skin tends to have a golden tinge regardless of how light or deep the skin tone. This is why we often say it has a yellow undertone. Cool skin, on the other hand, has a pinkish glow and a blue undertone. Can't tell which is which? No? Well, here's a nifty trick. Look at the veins. If the veins in your wrist look more green, then you're a warm undertone, while cool undertones have bluish veins. And there you have it. Once you know your tone and undertone, you have the secret to finding the perfect foundation match. Which undertone are you? Tell us in the comments below, and we'll see you next time on Know Your Skin!